Okay, we'll start the class now. I think yesterday we completed till 8th question. Is it right? Yes. So we completed till this much. Okay. So next is 11th question. If the sum of the n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. So what it means? If the sum of the n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, it means
Sn is equal to n square.
Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Okay. So if the sum of n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square means Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. What is the first term? Okay. What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, 10th and the n terms. So we need to find first S1, S2, S3, okay, S4, and similarly we have to find A1, A2, A3, A10 and AN. We have to find for this. Here given that Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So S1 is what? S1 is also A1 because sum of one term is nothing but A itself. So A1. So S1 is 4 into 1. So 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So is equal to 4 into 1 is 4. 1 square is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Next, sum of first two terms is given by what? S2. S2 is given by 4 into n is 2 minus here n is 2 square. So 4 into 2 is 8 minus 2 square is 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So S1 is 3, S2 is 4. So second term, to find the second term A2, we have formula an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. It means A2, to find A2, S2 minus S1 we needed. So what is the S2? S2 is 4. What is S1? S1 is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So A1 is what? A1 is 3. A2 is 1. Okay. Next, common difference. To find the common difference, we have A2 minus A1, that is equal to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. To find the third term, nth term is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in that, if we substitute value of a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 2. So 3, 2 into n is minus 2n. 2 minus 2 into minus 1 is minus of minus plus 2. Plus 2 and this plus 3 becomes 5 minus 2n. Otherwise, I will show you. See here, 3 minus 2 into n is minus 2n. Okay, minus into minus plus 2. So this 2 plus 3 becomes what? 5. Okay, right. So directly we taken as 5 minus 2n, like this. 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2n. So this is the nth term. An is equal to 5 minus 2n. To find the third term, they asked the third term. So third term is given by a3 is equal to 5 minus 2 into 3. So what is that? 5 minus 6 is minus 1. A3 is also minus 1. A3 is minus 1. So we found all the terms. What is second term? Second term is given. Second term is 1. Third term is minus 1. We have to find 10th term. Already we found nth term. So 10th term is given by, 10th term is given by a10 is equal to 5 minus 2 into 10. 2 into 10 is what? Minus 20. Plus 5 is minus 15. It is minus 15. So 10th term is minus 15. So we found all the things. Yes, take the screenshot. So video of this class is also available after the completion of 1 hour. You can make revision by watching the previous videos of the class in the same Teachment app. Everyone listening now?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
We'll move to next question. Everyone taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. The positive integer that are divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18 and so on. So first positive integers divisible by 6 means 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. So divisible by 6 means which are the multiples of 6. So 6, 12, 18 and so on. So here first term is also 6. Common difference is also 6 because a2 minus a1, 12 minus 6 is 6. D is 12 minus 6 is 6. So number of terms is given. N is 40. So what we have to find? Find the sum of first 40 terms means S40 we have to find. So for that Sn is given n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S40 is equal to 40 divided by 2 into bracket of 2 into a is 6 plus n is 40 minus 1 into d is 6. So 2 ones are 2 20s are, so 20 2 6 are 12 plus 40 minus 1 is 39 into this 6. So 20 12 plus 39 6 are 234. So 20, so 234 plus 12 is 246 into 20. So what is that? That is 4920. Completes the solution. Take the screenshot. If already taken means we'll move to next question. Yes. Hello dear students. Taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll move to next question. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 and so on. So here also the same thing. First term is also 8. Common difference is also 8. So find the sum of the first 15 terms means n is 15. We need to find S15. So Sn is given n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In that n is 15. So S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2. 2 into a is 8 plus n is 15 minus 1 into d is 8. So 15 by 2 keep as it is. 2 into 8 is 16 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 8. So 14 into 8 is 112 plus this 16 is 128. So 15 divided by 2 into 128. 2 ones are 2, 6 the 2, 4 the. So 64. So 15 into 64 becomes 960. What we need. So S15 is 960. Yes, take the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we'll move to next. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. It means between the 0 and 50, what are the odd numbers? That are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on 49. So what is this 49?
A N, sir.
49 is nth term an or last term L is equal to 49. Here a is 1, common difference d is 3 minus 1 is 2. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1. So what they asked? They asked find the sum of first odd numbers. So we no need to find this one. Yes, we need, because we have to find n here. So how many terms are there? We have to find the thing. So for that, last term we have an, that is 49. Formula an is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. In that a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So if this 1 comes to left side means 49 minus 1 is equal to, so 2 into n is 2n, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So 49 minus 1 is 48. If this 2 comes to, okay, if this 2 comes to left side means minus 2 becomes plus 2. 48 plus 2 is 50 equal to 2n. 50 equal to 2n. So n is equal to what? 50 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 225. N is 25. So we need to find sum of first 25 terms, that is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of a plus l, because we have last term, that is 49. If we don't have last term means we can directly find S25 by using the formula n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus into 1 n minus 1 into d. But we have last term, so we are using this formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of a plus l. So S25 is equal to 25 divided by 2 into bracket of a is 1 plus l is 49. 49 plus this one is what? 50. Okay, so 25 by 2 into 50. So here we left one term. So this is what? 25 by 2 into 50. So 2 ones are 2, 25 are 25 into 25 is what? 625. That is enough. So take the screenshot. If completed means we'll move to next question. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Right. So a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ತಿಂಗಳದಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ವಿತಿನ್ 1 ಇಯರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ ಅವ್ನು, ಯಾವಾಗಾರ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೆನಾಲ್ಟಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಲೇ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಅ ಪೆನಾಲ್ಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಕ್. So a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 day ಲೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 200 ಪೆನಾಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 2 days ಲೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 250 rupees ಪೆನಾಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 3 days ಆದ್ರೆ 300. ಫಾರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇ the penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. However, how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? ಅವನೇನಾದ್ರೂ 30 ದಿನ ಡಿಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪೆನಾಲ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ 200 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ 250, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇ 300 and so on. Okay, up to 30 days. So n is 30, first term is 200, common difference is 50 because each day it penalty increases by how much rupees? That is 50 rupees. So D is 50. So penalty that has to be paid if contractor has delayed the work by 30 days is S30. So we need to find S30. We have A, D as well as N. So Sn means S30. Sn is given by n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So S30 is equal to 30 divided by 2 into bracket of 2 into a is 200 plus n is 30 minus 1 into D is what? 50. So 2 ones are 2 15s are. So 15 into bracket of 2 into 200 is 400 plus 30 minus 1 is what? 29. 29 into 50 is 1450. So 1450 plus this 400 becomes 1850. So 1850 and this 15 multiplied by this 15, you will get 27,750 as a penalty contractor has to pay for the government. Therefore the contractor has to pay rupees 27,750 as a penalty. Yes, take the screenshot. Okay, we'll move to next question. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. So this is same as before one. So same question. Okay. So in a school, students thought of planning trees, thought of planning of trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. ಏನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ? ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಯು ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯವನ್ನ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ನೆಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರ, ಯಾವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 4th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು 4 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟರೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 4th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ 4th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೇರಿ 4 ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆಡುವಂತದ್ದು. 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 10 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ they have to plant. A section of class 1 will be plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will be plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 12th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ 1ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನವರು 1 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನೆಟ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅವರು 2 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಡ್ತಾರೆ, and so on till class 12 means n is 12 here. There are 3 section of each class. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾವೆ? There are 3 sections. So how many tree will be planted by the students ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So they asked SN, okay, S12 ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So here what is the first term? What is the first term we have to take? Or for the first standard students, first standard students will plant how many plants?
3 sir. 3 sir.
Yes, 3 is the right answer. 3 is the right answer. Others are not observing the thing they have given here. There are 3 section of each class. It means what? First standard nu ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾವೆ? 3 ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನರ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನೆಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನರ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನ ನೆಡ್ತಾರೆ? 3. Okay. For second class 2 into 3. Is it right? ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು 2 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 2 2 means 6. So first standard students will plant 3 plants, second standard students will plant 6 plants, third standard students will plant 9 plants, and so on till how many terms? 12 terms. So here A is 3 and D is also 3 because 6 minus 3 is 3. N is what? 12. So we need to find S12. Is it right?
Yes sir.
See. Solution is given like this. So let the AP be 1 into 3. So first standard 3 section, second standard 3 section, third standard 3 section, and so on 12th standard 3 section. So 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, and so on. 12 into 3 is 36. So here first term is 3, common difference is 6 minus 3 is 3. AN is 36, last term AN is 36, N is 12 because there are 12 standard, N is 12. We need to find S12. Sn is question mark. So S12 is given by what? You can find by this formula or by Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can find in both the ways. Okay. So 12 by 2 into bracket of 3 plus AN is 36. 3 plus 36 is what? 39. 2 1s are 2, 6s are 6 into 39. 6 into 39 becomes what? 234. So that school students will plant in total 234 plants. ಸ್ಕೂಲಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ 234 ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ನೆಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ನೆಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾಬಿ. ಅದು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡೋದಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೊಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಲಾಭನ ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ನೆಡೋದು ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಆ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ನ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ಶಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶುದ್ಧ ವಾಯುವನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೆರಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಹಾಬಿನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question will be in your textbook. If you want to take a screenshot of that question, means I will show that one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, take this screenshot. So today this much is enough. I have one more class, 9th standard, from 8:45. Okay, so we will continue the remaining problems in the tomorrow session. Okay,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
please wait. Please wait.
Thank you,
Please
sir.
wait.
Bye, sir.
Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. So previous week only I have to plan to take a test. That is not happened. For that, this week in the same day, means on Saturday, there will be a test on whole syllabus, whole chapter, arithmetic progression. So in 1 or 2 days, so arithmetic progression chapter will completes. Okay, I want to plan to take a test in upcoming Saturday. So everyone, ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಕಳಿಸೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. After the completion of the class. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.